What if I told you the most powerful energy for success isn't motivation? It's lust. Sounds wild, right? But stay with me. Napoleon Hill, author of Think and Grow Rich, said that the most successful people in history didn't succeed despite their sexual energy. They succeeded because of it. But here's the problem. Modern society tells us the exact opposite. From a young age, we're taught that lust is bad, something shameful, dangerous, or a sign of weakness. Movies, schools, even families paint desire as a problem to suppress or hide. We're told to avoid it, and then we feel guilty when it shows up. But what if lust isn't the enemy? What if it's actually fuel? In Think and Grow Rich, Hill introduces a concept called sex transmutation, and it might be the most misunderstood secret to success. Here's the truth. Sexual energy is one of the strongest human drives, but most men don't know how to use it to their advantage. They waste it. They watch porn, jerk off, chase meaningless hookups, and then they wonder why they're broke, tired, and stuck. Listen closely. You're not weak because you feel desire. You're weak because you don't control it. Sexual energy is a weapon, but only if you don't throw it away on nonsense. Instead of wasting it on distractions, you can transmute it, meaning redirect it into something powerful. Your goals, your creativity, your ambition, that intense desire you feel, that obsession, that fire. Don't waste it. Use it. Hill studied hundreds of high achievers and found that many of them had extremely strong sex drives, but they didn't let it control them. They channeled it into building empires. They used their desire not just for pleasure, but for power. So how do you do it? Here's how to use lust to become successful. Number 1, awareness. The first step is to notice when that sexual energy or desire rises inside you. Don't panic. Don't try to shove it down or fight it, because if you fight it, you'll lose every time. The urge is strong, and resisting by force only drains your energy and makes it worse. Instead, acknowledge it. Don't run from it. Don't immediately chase the feeling with a distraction or instant gratification. Just pause and be aware. Okay, I'm feeling this urge right now. This simple awareness gives you power. It stops you from acting on autopilot. The next time you feel temptation, stop for a moment and say to yourself, I see you. Urge. I'm not running. That's where control starts. Not in fighting, but in recognizing and owning the feeling without losing yourself to it. Number 2, transmutation. Once you're aware of the lust, don't just sit in it. Transmute it. Turn it into fuel. Channel that energy into something that actually builds you. If you don't use it, it will use you. The moment you feel that fire rise, you have a small window. And in that window, you have to make a move. Redirect it instantly. Go train. Pick up your journal and write. Work on your business. Build something. Fix something. Create something. Do anything that moves you forward. You need to train your brain. Lust equals action. Don't wait. Don't overthink. The longer you hesitate, the faster the energy turns into weakness. Make a list of productive actions you can take when the urge hits. Keep it close. When the energy comes, you don't negotiate. You act. That's transmutation in real life, taking raw desire and forging it into power. Number 3, obsession. Lust is really just intense desire. You already have the fire, so now direct it toward your goals. Find something you want so badly that thinking about it excites you more than any distraction. Write down your biggest goal. What do you really want? Read it every morning. Visualize the success. Every morning or before going to bed, spend 2 to 5 minutes imagining the life you really want. Close your eyes and picture it clearly. Use all your senses. Make it feel real, like it's already happening. The more real it feels, the more your brain starts to believe it. This builds new pathways in your mind, so you naturally start thinking, acting, and making decisions that move you toward that life. It's like training your brain to expect success and go after it without hesitation. This isn't woo-woo. This is neuroscience. Elite athletes do it. CEOs do it. They see the win before it happens. So when the moment comes, it's already familiar. Number 4, discipline. This isn't about giving up sex. It's about one thing: control. You can feel desire. That's normal. But when you let your urges control your actions, you lose. Discipline means you're in charge. You decide when, where, and how your energy gets used. You can build discipline by setting clear rules for yourself, like no porn, no mindless scrolling, and no acting on every urge. Create structure in your day with a solid routine. Hit the gym. Stay focused on your work. Read and stay productive. When the urge hits, don't give in right away. Tell yourself, not now. I've got work to do. The key is to delay gratification and stay focused on what really matters. Keep track of your progress. Count the days you've stayed in control. Each day builds momentum and makes the next one easier. The more you practice, the stronger your self-control gets. Most people are slaves to their impulses. They feel desire and they chase instant relief. But you're different. You feel desire and you convert it into fuel. You turn temptation into transformation. This is what Hill meant when he said, "Sex energy is the creative energy of all geniuses. Master this and you become dangerous. Master this and you become unshakable. Master this and you become unstoppable." Lust isn't your weakness, it's your weapon. Transmute or be consumed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, my friend.